Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need to start in Settings and Act Now. Open Display and tap Edge Screen. Once you see Edge lighting, toggle it on. This substitutes the missing LED and lets you control visual alerts. Make sure you enable it for lock screen and while screen is off, because that's why you get a visible cue. You're doing this because many Samsung models removed the LED. Edge lighting is the only built-in alternative to produce a steady notification glow. Once Edge lighting is on, you customize it so the effect behaves like a notification LED. Select Style and Color. Bright, single color works best for quick recognition, and set duration so it pulses or stays visible for a few seconds. Then choose which apps can trigger the lighting. Keep essential apps enabled and mute others. Make sure to adjust position and intensity so you can see alerts at a glance. This is how you replicate the old LED experience precisely. Now test the setup by sending a message or using a notification tester app. You should see Edge lighting instantly. If nothing happens, restart the phone and retry. This often resolves permission or service hiccups. Make sure Battery Saver isn't blocking background notifications, and verify each app has permission to show notifications. If Edge lighting still fails, reset its settings and repeat configuration. This final
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.